Okay, this is the oocyte. The various spindle. So she still has to finish her second meiotic division. So that is the spindles. Spindles are still in second meiotic division. It has not. It is not completed. So what will happen? So this is oocyte membrane. Then there will be the zona pellucida. Okay, and this will be the cortical granules. This is the corona radiata of the granular cell, follicular cell. So what will happen? As soon as that hit sperm is there, so it hit its wall. So what will happen? As soon as it hit its wall, there should be some reaction. If a person comes and it will hit you, then there must be some reaction from you. So what will you do? It hit and it's get inside. So this will be, so there is some reaction. So since it hit that zona pellucida, so what is that reaction is known as? Zona reaction. Zona reaction. This is also asked. This is also a short question. This is also frequently asked, that zona reaction. This is mediated by the protein ZP3. Since we are breaking the 3 layers, so you can remember that zona pellucida 3 protein is required. So 3 बैरियर तोड़ने तो ZP3 उसमें लगेगा. So that will be zona reaction. So what will happen? Cortical जो cortical granules हैं, जो oocyte has cortical granules. This is medulla, this is cortex. So at cortex it has granules that is known as cortical granules. So these are the cortical granules. So what will happen? These cortical granules will be released and it changes that permeability. It changes the permeability of zona pellucida. Like what will be happen? What will be like you give NEET exam? What will happen? There is some cut up marks. So cut up marks is what? The barrier of corona radiata is the cut up marks for your NEET, UG or PG, any exam is there. So once you cross that cut up marks, you will be able to enter. So you will be allotted a zone or you will be allotted a college. कैसे आप याद रखोगे कि there is a cut up marks for the NEET, UG और PG. इसमें कोरोना रेडिएटा को किया हिट तो क्या हो गया? cut up marks. So as you hit that marks, as you got that marks, what will happen? You will be allotted a zone, or zone means what? College. So once it hit, it will start what? Zona reaction. It will start that zona reaction. So zona reaction होगा, वो होगा. So what will happen? Once you are allotted a college, एक कॉलेज आपको PMCH मिल गया, तो फिर आप ही के सीट पे दूसरे किसी को वो सीट नहीं मिल सकती. Only one person will be allowed. Only one person will be allotted. One person will be allotted one seat. एक सीट जो मिल गई, एक पर्सन को एक ही सीट PMCH में अलॉट होगी, या NMCH अगर वो NMCH गया है या फिर वो कहीं और गया है, वहाँ से वो सीट वो छोड़ेगा, then only he will got seat into the another college. So once he got that, so sperm once got here, what will happen? That college will say, no, we don't have any seat. So last vacancy filled. So now the college is saying we don't have any seat. So what will happen? Now no seat will be there. So the college will become impermeable to the NEET students. So the permeability of zona pellucida change. Once it is permeated the sperm, once one sperm hits and this zona reaction or cortical reaction or exosomal reaction what will happen? It become impermeable to the other student. So this is a simple example to remember what is the reaction of this. So what will happen once it hit? So what will happen? आपके घर कोई आ जाता है and what will happen? You are in relaxed mood, you are in night dress or night suit. What happened? Once a guest come to you, what will happen? You quickly change to some clothes which are good or which you should go outside. उस तरह के कपड़े बदल लेते हैं. So this ovary, this is quite relaxed at home. ये अपने नाइट ड्रेस में सेकेंड मियोटिक डिवीजन में ही खुश है, नाइट ड्रेस में खुश है. अचानक कोई गेस्ट आता है and what will happen? So once this sperm hits, what will happen? What will be the changes? So she is quite happy in her night dress. A sudden guest comes and what will happen? So this ovary quickly, the ovum, so not ovary, sorry, ovum quickly completes its second meiotic division. So ovary जो है, जो second meiotic division complete नहीं हुआ था, it quickly completes its second meiotic division. Okay, so second meiotic division completes कर लेता है and that signifies the fertilization. If second meiotic division occurs, then only that will be the fertilization. If it doesn't happen, then what will happen? This doesn't happen, then what will be there? Then what will be there? The ovary regresses and it will bleed in the form of menstruation and it will be degenerated. Okay, and it will not go into the further cycle of the fertilization, cleavage and morula, blastula, all those phases. It does not go. Okay, so what will happen? It will hit. So ovary quickly completes its second meiotic division. So this is the second stage here. What will happen? Zona pellucida, it disappears. It enters inside this, and this ovary becomes the pronucleus. Ovary, which is this, now it becomes pronucleus. That it also enters. So sperm is stimulating. Sperm is telling, the guest at the door is telling you to dress up well. So what will be? It will be the stimulus, and what will be the incidence? Disappearance of zona pellucida. Disappearance of zona pellucida. Then it will enter. Fully it will enter. It will leave its plasma membrane outside and it will enter. Okay. So यहाँ तक हेड मिडिल पीस वाला पीस वो एंटर कर जाएगा. Then what will happen? It will enter and आ गया. So any guest who come inside your home, he or she will follow the rule and regulation of your house. If any guest is coming, so he has come. So now he has become the male pronucleus. He has sperm inside, come inside, and he has become the male pronucleus. Then there will be swelling in the shape, like there will be the enlargement of the shape. Then what will happen? There will be the dissolvation. Then they fuse and there will be dissolvation. This is so they will meet in next step and there will be this nuclear membrane dissolve and this will fuse, nuclear membrane dissolve. इनका separate nuclear membrane है sperm का और ovum का. They will get dissolved and they will nuclear membrane gets dissolve हो जाएगा and it gives rise to the formation of what? Zygote formation will take place. Okay, so now what will happen? The sperm enters, it stimulates. तो हम कैसे याद रखेंगे? The guest at your home, the ovary is relaxed in night suit, so she is not ready to complete her second meiotic division. Now guest comes, he or she stimulate her to so by seeing that guest, she changes to a presentable cloth, and then what will happen? there will be the fusion of both the cells, then nuclear membrane with their separate nuclear membrane. Then after next step, the nuclear membrane dissolves and they give rise to formation of the of zygote, which is the further which will give rise to a embryo in 9 months of time or the by following the intrauterine period. So this is the story. So what will happen after that? There is the formation of zygote. So story continues. So there are different stories you have to correlate and you have to read, because embryology is more like of